And today's Ask the Expert is sponsored by Pineview Medical Clinic. It's open now and ready to take your appointments. It's one of the only clinics to offer patients the latest breakthrough in ED treatment, combining radial shockwave and focused shockwave, becoming one of the most comprehensive and effective treatments in the country. And joining me now is Andrew Reinhart from the Pineview Medical Clinic. Andrew, thanks so much for being here with us today.
Hello, thanks for having me. Great to see you.
Absolutely, we love having you on the show. Tell us about some of the statistics of men who have ED and need treatment.
Well, there are so many men out there struggling with erectile dysfunction, I hate to say, and I am yet to meet a man that enjoys taking the pill. They say 70% of men with ED do not seek treatment, and I assume the relationship is what is suffering.
And those statistics are pretty large. With this being such a serious medical condition, most procedures available can be pretty invasive. Tell us about what you all are doing at Pineview Medical Clinic that's different from other traditional forms and methods available out there.
Well, technology is changing just about every aspect of our life. We know that. It's finally changing how we treat erectile dysfunction. Pineview Medical Clinic uses a technology called wave therapy. Now, what this does is omits gentle pressure waves that open up and regrow the blood vessels. It's clinically proven to improve circulation enough that we can get rid of the erectile dysfunction. There are no pills, no injections. This is more blood flow in the bedroom, where you want it, when you want it.
And Andrew, you just said it, this wave therapy is needle-free, surgery-free, and drug-free.
That's exactly right. All of those treat the symptoms of ED. Nothing goes to the actual problem. So men become a prisoner to the pill. They have to take it for the rest of their life, and the side effects get worse. There's no spontaneity. Once we've repaired the blood vessels, guys, you will be amazed what can happen in the bedroom when the blood flows properly.
And you all actually have studies that back what you're doing at your clinic. What are they?
If you go to pineviewmedicalclinic.com, yes, we have about 50 third-party clinical studies that have been done on our technology. Cambridge University, they studied it, the Cleveland Clinic, and so many others. It is safe, it's effective. It has been called the new standard of care. Also, they said it led to a clinical increase in blood flow. That is so great and exactly what a man with ED needs.
And you all really do treat the root cause of ED, not just the symptoms, right?
That's right. One of the leading causes of erectile dysfunction is damaged blood vessels and restricted blood flow. So that's the true issue. That's what our treatments address and correct. It goes to the root problem.
No pills, no invasive injections or surgery. That really is incredible. Give us a breakdown of how this technology works, Andrew.
A man comes into the clinic and the technology is placed on the skin for about 10 minutes. Gentle pressure waves go into the blood vessels, which create neovascularization, it's called, the regrowth, the widening, and the repairing of blood vessels. The end result is more blood flow, and let's not forget that ED is a blood flow problem.
And there's no recovery time from this procedure. Andrew, do you have any special offers for our viewers today?
We have a lot for free today. If you're ready to regain your love life, that number right there, call it now. You qualify for the exam, assessment, and blood flow ultrasound free, plus a gift that produces immediate results in the bedroom.
Well, Andrew, thank you so much for filling us in on this new technology. We'll make sure you have access to all of their information at Pineview Medical Clinic on our website at studiostl.tv.